I don't have time to plus verb means you are too busy or lack enough time to do a particular action. Examples: I don't have time to eat breakfast because I'm already late for work. I don't have time to think about all these problems. I don't have time to fetch the kids at school. I don't have time to listen to your complaints, so please give me a break. I don't have time to clean my room because I'm so busy. I don't have time to make breakfast every morning, so I eat at the office. I don't have time to participate in the program. I don't have time to finish my homework, so I asked for help from my sister. I don't have time to think about him anymore. I don't have time to check my phone, so I missed answering my teacher's calls. I don't have time to have enough sleep this week.